Hello guys, in this video I'm going to unbox this Xbox Series X, right, miniature. It is manufactured by TYS toys. This is 1/6 mainstream game machines. So it came with box like this. So TPS toys. Okay, is the manufacturer. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to unbox it. Super cool. Wow, it's really awesome. I really liked it. So this is the original machine. This is miniature. So I'm going to take it out. Wow, two controllers is there. Two controllers. Both are black. Really, it's awesome. See this? It is exactly like Xbox Series X controller. Even the sharing button, they created it well. Wow. But nothing is moving. I mean, analog stick. But they did it very detailed. See? So even the colors, right? ABXY buttons color also, it's very cute. So on the back side, that also very cute. Xbox logo is there. And the battery sections. So it comes with two controllers. Actually, this is bigger. The right side is bigger than this. So I'm going to keep it here. The next thing, I'm going to take out the Xbox console. Super cool, right? It's very tiny. 1/6 scale. Sorry, this is the top side, right? Looks like original machine. Okay. Looks like original console. Super. So cute, actually. But they should have given some green color here. And this is the disc. And the Xbox button. And the USB port. And sync button. Back side. On the bottom side. See this back side. They did it accurately. HDMI port, USB port, expansion storage, and the power plug-in, and the internet port. Super cool, right? You can keep it here like this. So cute. I like it very much. I'll be providing the link in the description. So, okay, if you want, you can buy it. And these are the controllers. So now we can play with the controller. Also, you can compare the controller as well. Hope you definitely like this video. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.